Hey Lily, what you doing in school these days?
Dissolving things, but the experiment didn't go so well.
Really? Well, maybe one of the interesting things I think about dissolving is actually the opposite of dissolving, crystallization. Let's try two different labs and see what happens.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to start off here with a hot plate and a stir bar. We're going to stir up a solution of potassium cyanate.
And I'm gonna pour in some water. Then we're gonna bring it to boil and dissolve all of those crystals. Next, we're gonna pour in some salt until we feel until we've almost overloaded the mixture with salt.
So for those of you out there who are wondering, we are making a super saturated solution. How's it look, Lil?
Pretty good to me.
Great.
Now we're going to turn off our heat and take our solution off the heater and put it on the counter.
Hey, nice gloves, by the way.
Thanks. Super size protective gloves.
So what are you doing here?
Well, I have to make sure there's no more salt left. It has to all be dissolved. So I'm taking my stir stick and making sure I feel nothing at the bottom. And then, because there's an annoying little stir stick in there, I have to take the little stir bar out.
So you have here a solution of potassium cyanate and boiled water and salt. So what's going on here?
I have a little petri, a little petri container, and I have to pour this liquid in the yellow liquid into the container as much as possible. And then, of course, I need something for these crystals to grow on. So I chose a little paper Christmas tree that we made and put it in the liquid.
Got it. So you're going to grow the crystals on the Christmas tree. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, for our second experiment, we're going to let that one run for a while. We're going to start off with a different kind of reaction. This is a redox reaction. We're going to use two different kinds of materials. The first one is just solid copper wire that looks like you bent into a spiral Christmas tree shape. And now we're adding some silver nitrate. So Lily, pay attention. What color is the liquid that you're pouring in?
Yeah.
And what about the copper?
Copper color?
Yeah, that's pretty much the only answer. Pay attention to both of those by the end of the video. So this is going to take us a while, so we might have to sit by and take some time.
All right, Lily. What does the philosophical dolphin say?
I don't know. What do they say?
What's my porpoise?
Daughter, where are the Himalayas? Father, if you clean your room, you know where to find things.
Hey, Lily. How do cats mail letters?
I don't know how.
They use fur class mail.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Yoda.
Yoda who?
Yoda, no one's supposed to do the dishes.
Those were really bad jokes. I think we need to go check on our experiment.
So here's a time lapse of our experiment over the course of the next 3 days. I'm curious what you're noticing, Lily.
Well, I'm noticing that the silver has crystallized on the copper, and the crystals have grown yellow on the Christmas tree, and it's actually pulling the Christmas tree apart. They're so heavy because the Christmas tree is just paper.
Wow, that's pretty neat. So crystallization, whether it's a supersaturated solution or a redox reaction, is kind of the opposite of dissolving. So Lily, what's our next experiment going to be?
Well, maybe since we worked with silver, we should try making gold.
You little alchemist, you.